Yeah, it's your boy Major Ratchet here again, bringing you day 2 of 100% Elder Scrolls playthrough. Joining us today, Yeet Kai, also known as Grandmaster Yeet. We're gonna go fight Jordan Peterson. Yeet! Yeet! AKA the Tree Sentinal.
Oh, Chester, I see he's come back for more.
Yeah.
Now, how about you calm down there, young man? Alright, today's lesson. Pain and punishment.
Yeah, Jordan Peterson. Ain't been enjoying your little talks.
Getting angry will not fix your problems. It will only exasperate the ones that are already there. I call this move wash your penis and clean up your room.
Oh, what's up? Stand up. What your backup game look like? What your step back game look like, Jordan?
Hey, you see, your first mistake was challenging me.
What you swinging at, Jordan?
Men are made for suffering. And boy, I'm going to make you a man today. So, you've suffered the pain of defeat. What does that imply? Well, I'd like to think that it implied that you thought you could win. You're trying to beat me. Not with that lack of ethic, work ethic. The kind that keeps you up and going. Now what could you have possibly meant by whipping that attack? Mistake number 2. You tried to run from the pain. To truly defeat pain, one must conquer it. Only monsters can survive in this world. Now you need to make yourself a monster. And then control it.
Johnny, relax.
It's time to teach him a lesson he'll never forget. Oh my wamo, shinderu.
What? Jordan Peterson. Oh man. What? Did you see this, man?
Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
I can't go out like that, Jordan Peterson. You gotta run that back.
You see, you died. Now what does that imply? This is the difference in our power. Ah, Chester, I see he's come back for more. Alright, Chester, sit him down. sir, have been bonked. Nothing personal, kid.
Okay.
This is the pain. And this is the punishment. Now that you've conquered the pain, it's time for the punishment.
Bitch ass Jordan Peterson. Fuck your TED Talks.